Today, I'm gonna take this hair dye and put it on my hair that looks like this and see what happens. I have been dyeing my hair for so many years. I have experimented with so many colors and cuts. I've had pink, I've had blue, I have purple, red. This time I was thinking, what am I gonna do with my blue hair? It's turning green. Even though green is not a bad color, I never wanted to have my hair turning green. Let's try and neutralize the green. And that's where pink comes in. I'm not sure if this is like the correct shade of pink that will neutralize the green, but we're gonna try it and see what happens. Here is the current state of my hair. Please do not mention how bad my haircut is. I am aware. I will fix it at some point. First, color. Today, I am using Manic Panic Fuschia Shock. I have been using Manic Panic for many years. The pink that shows on their website is not really the color I'm going for. I'm just hoping for some kind of purple. The fun part begins. Even though I've done this many times and I try my best to dye only my hair, somehow the floor, the sink, my arms always end up getting some color. And here we are. All the color is in my hair and it's looking very pink. Now it's time for my mom's least favorite moment, when I remove the color from my hair and tint the hell out of our bathtub. And then I have to spend 30 minutes scrubbing it. Moment of truth. It's giving purple grape kind of color, but this is only the wet dark color in this very dark bathroom, which honestly I would love if this was the final color, because this really dark deep purple is just amazing. Maybe in the future we will try to get this. And now for my least favorite part. If you have a hair like mine, you know that drying it just takes so long. It just takes forever. I usually watch something on my phone, but I'm using my phone to record. Yay. Alright, so this is how my hair looks like with me sitting in front of a window, which I realize now, not that much light coming in. And oh my god, look at all that white hair. Reality check, I'm old. But anyway, outside, look outside. This is how it looks like in the shade. And this is what it looks like with the sun. How much do you love this color? And here you have, this is a bonus shot color. I actually dyed my hair a couple of days ago and today I had to wash it again. So this is how the color held on after one wash. It's still semi-wet, but it's a lot more pink. And then on some areas, it's like super purple. I am honestly obsessed. So here you have it. I love my new hair. Honestly, every time I dye my hair purple or red or any color in that spectrum, it feels like it should be my natural hair color, because I just feel so much more like myself when my hair looks like this than with blue. Nothing against blue or green, they're amazing colors, but when I look at myself and my hair has this color, it just feels like me. Way more than blue ever did. This is like step one of a much larger hair transformation. So if you want to be part of the adventure, make sure you click over there and subscribe, because there will be more hair updates in the future. And if you want to continue in the Pattyverse, why not click over here and be transported to another video in the Pattyverse. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye!